Hey guys, it's Jesse, the Jesse.Davenport. Today we're going to take a look at a fresh trade coming on a motorhome. It's a 2015 Wolf Creek. It's an 850, clean, super clean. If you look here, this one has no box in the back, so this is for a long bed. It's got the electric jacks. This one has the outside shower here. You see right here's your center of gravity on here. A couple places for your batteries. Propane boxes back here. If you come around the back here, you want to come inside here. This has easy access. Front bedroom has a fan up front. Got a stereo to your left over there. This unit has an oven. And here in the back, it's got the bunk. This folds down for storage. You can make a room for sleeping up there. This also makes a bed back here. This has a nice shower here in the back with the skylight above. Very clean, fresh trade. And if you got any other questions, lots to talk about, my number's on the screen there. You can call me on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.